can start. Say, Old MacDonald.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
What did the cow make noise?
Moo, moo, moo.
And a moo moo here.
Yeah.
What else?
The pig.
What else do you have on this farm?
Oink, oink, oink.
The pig made an oink oink oink.
Yeah.
What about the turkey?
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
What else do they have on the farm?
He has wings.
Huh?
He has wings.
He has what?
Wings.
Wings?
To fly.
To fry?
Yeah.
You're gonna fry the turkey wings?
Yeah.
You're gonna eat them?
No.
What are you gonna do with them if you fry them?
Because he could bite me.
He could bite you, but if you, but he's gonna be gone. He's gonna be, you gotta eat him.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he's not gonna be alive anymore if you cook him. He's not gonna be able to bite you anymore.
It's time.
Can you say goodnight?
Good night.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye.